Hello everyone, I Vatsal welcome you all to my channel, and today I am going to show you how to fix Windows 7 hanging or freezing problem. So for this, just click on the start button and now go to the search bar. Now in the search bar just type msconfig. Now just click on the search result msconfig, and now in the general tab just choose this option selective startup. Now under selective startup just uncheck this option load startup items, just uncheck it. Now go to the startup tab and make sure that all the startup items that are mentioned here should be unchecked like they are now. So they should be unchecked, all the startup items that are mentioned here. Now go to the services tab and you'll find a list of services that are currently running in your system, and this list of services also includes the Microsoft services that are essential to run. So to hide all the Microsoft services from this list, just check this option, hide all Microsoft services. After checking this option, we now have a list of all the services except for Microsoft services. Now what you have to do is just click on this disable all button to disable all these services. But there are two services that are required for the touchpad to function properly, so just check them both. So the services are Intel Rapid Storage Technology, just check it, and the other one is Syntep Caller Service, check this also. After this just click on the apply button and now click on the OK button. Now just click on this restart button to restart the system, and after restarting your system your issue will be fixed. So this is how you can fix the issue of Windows 7 hanging or freezing. So that's it from my side. If you like my video, you can click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.